Well, good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Wednesday morning. It is the 15th day of November, 2023. This is the morning briefing coming to you from my Home Weather Office, where I get an idea of what's going on for the day and show you what I'm looking at as I get the day started and the rain chances we're going to be looking at for the next couple of days. So as I look out the window of the Home Weather Office this morning, it is cloudy, and it's cloudy just about throughout all of California for that matter. But most areas are dry for right now. We are likely going to see an increase in chances of rain late this afternoon and into this evening. Nothing heavy, but there may be some rain around for the evening commute. I do want to show you this beautiful satellite image this morning. This is just fantastic. Look at this little comma-shaped cloud out here. That's the center of our cutoff low, just showing up beautifully on the satellite. And you can just picture the clouds and the flow coming down from the north here. You can see that here. And then just look at this large sweep of clouds coming up from the south. And then we have this area here going south to north, all wrapping around that strong circulation from the low. So here we are getting all that cloud cover, but this is where you have the really good rain still off the coast. Yeah, that's where the good energy has been, and that's why yesterday there was just a bit of rain along the coast, although Lake County did see about 1/3 of an inch of rain. But inland, there were just some sprinkles. And as we go through the day today, we are likely going to be seeing our chances of rain increase. All right, so I'm going to show you a few different models. I'll show you the HRRR, which is a nice high-resolution model. I'll show you the NAM, as well as the GFS. These will get... these will be decreasing in resolution as we go out. But I'll also tell you that the HRRR has been a little bit more aggressive than the other models, a little wetter, I guess is an easier way to put it. So let's just show you what this is saying. All right, so we pick up the rain here. This is around noontime today. Some showers popping up on the coast range, some rain down south. And then as we get into the afternoon, some light rain, and then an area of steadier rain. This is at 5 o'clock this afternoon. So this would be rain from Lake County, Sacramento County, as well as San Joaquin County. This model also shows some snow in the Sierra. That is unlikely. This is 8 o'clock this evening. That's the other thing. HRRR has been consistently showing this sort of thing while other models have not been, and it just looks as though it's going to be too warm for anything like that. And then, as we head into the night, things break up. Let's fast forward to Thursday morning. This is Thursday morning around 7. This model showing a few showers. There may be a shower or two around Thursday. And then this is getting into Thursday night. And then the next chance of rain, this is Friday morning, is showing up out here. So this model, like I said, a little bit wetter than some of the other models. So total precip accumulation between now and first thing Friday morning, this is showing almost a ½ inch of rain. So yeah, that model, let's just say that's on the high end. Let's just say that I don't think we'll see anything wetter than that. And most likely the solution will end up being drier than that. All right, this is the NAM. This is a different solution, obviously. This is around 4 o'clock this afternoon. Rain is off the coast. There's rain down south, but the valley is still dry. And then this model brings in a better chance of rain around 6, 7 o'clock this evening, and then quickly moves through with a few showers hanging around Thursday morning. Most of Thursday is dry. This is Friday morning at 7 a.m. Here's that low wrapping up off the coast and finally opening up and moving inland, bringing us a chance of showers. This is 4 o'clock on Friday afternoon. That's Friday evening. This is Saturday morning. And then this model goes through Saturday afternoon. That's Saturday midday, Saturday at 1, and Saturday at 4. This model, a little bit drier. It may be a little underdone in this afternoon. In other words, I think there may be a little bit more rain in here at 4 o'clock this afternoon. This looks reasonable. I think Thursday looks reasonable, and I think Friday might be a little bit wetter. This is Friday afternoon, evening. I think this period might be a little bit wetter than what's showing up here. And then it still looks as though the best rain we're going to see could be Friday night and into early Saturday. So that's the NAM. Let's show you the GFS. So this looks similar. This is this afternoon at 4. Here's the rain expected for this evening. Breaking up for Thursday. Thursday maybe a stray shower. And then as we get into the day Friday, that low finally opens up. This is Friday at 4 o'clock, that low off the coast. This one also a little bit slower and drier. But this is Saturday morning. I think Saturday morning, the very early morning hours have the best chance of being wet. 7, 8 o'clock Saturday morning with everything breaking up in the afternoon, and then Sunday is dry. All of the amounts from these models are going to be on the lower side. So between what we see this evening, what we see Friday afternoon and into Saturday morning, for most valley spots would be maybe a total of a half an inch. So we're not talking about enough rain to cause any issues, if you will. And it also looks as though it's going to be too snow for any significant snow for chain controls on 80 or 50. However, I did see that Highway 108 is closing today. I did not see if Ebbets Pass is also closing or Tioga Pass. We'll likely get those closures. So if you do plan on using those are going to be preemptive closures because those are above 9,000 feet. And that's why they're closing those, because they'll get a few inches of snow, but hopefully they'll be able to get reopened for Thanksgiving week. But Interstate 80 and Highway 50 should not have any chain controls, I wouldn't think, as we go through the next couple of days. So for the valley, I'll tell you, it is going to still be difficult to exactly pinpoint when we're going to have some rain. So in other words, let's say you have, let's say you're going to the football game Friday night at 7 o'clock, Friday night football. I can't tell you if it's going to be raining in any one community at that time right now. This isn't like some of our winter cold fronts that come through and we can time them out that well. So yeah, it stays pretty foggy. The best thing we can do right now is kind of give you an idea. Like today, not raining this morning, but we have a better chance of rain this evening. Friday, same thing. Morning hours likely going to be dry. The better chance of rain is going to be Friday night. Saturday, best chance of rain is in the morning, less chance of rain in the late afternoon and Saturday night, and then Sunday does look dry. So that's the best we can do for you in terms of timing. I wish we could be more specific for you, but at this point we just can't, just because of the nature of what it is we're looking at. And you just saw the models are struggling with it. They're agreeing in the big picture, but in terms of a specific time and a specific place for rain, they're not in agreement, and that's just not something that is within our grasp at this point. So I hope you find that helpful. So yeah, occasional rain, nuisance rain, if you will. Helpful rain. We do need rain. We are below average. We could use some snow. We're really not going to see much of that. So yeah, it's our storm season. This isn't really a storm. This is just kind of some nuisance rain. That's everything I've got for you this morning. I'll be on TV tonight at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.